Hey, this is Charles Draven, and I'm going to share how you can earn $566 in commissions. That's US dollars in the affiliate market. And if you have ever done affiliate marketing, then you might have gone through, like, let's say, ClickBank or Amazon. And if you've never ever done affiliate marketing, this is a process where you can earn money by promoting other people's products. And I have to say, the big game changer here is being able to earn perpetual commissions, lifetime commissions where any future purchases get hard coded. And what I mean by that is, I'll try to explain this, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. If you promote another person's product in affiliate marketing, another company's product, such as an Amazon product, you'll earn commissions. But if people go to Amazon again, they will not give you commissions for those future purchases. This system will allow you to earn across multiple products, a whole ecosystem of products, and you could earn commissions for the long term. Even when people come back, they can actually make purchases and you can make commissions. And so this will allow you to earn very large commissions over time. So what am I talking about here? I'm talking about something called Master Affiliate Profits. It's called MAP. It is an innovative platform that simplifies the process of building your online business. So if you are in the zone to create passive income, financial freedom, I believe that this system is for you, especially if you want to earn high ticket commissions. And if you stick till the end, I'm going to share how you can get access to a special report that I put together that will share with you how to actually take that first step forward in building up your lucrative affiliate marketing career. So, a lot of people, of course, tired of the rat race, that same old routine, the daily grind. And what this does is that it gives you the opportunity and it gives you a lot of leverage. And instead of going through this process like I was doing, promoting a bunch of different products, a bunch of different niches, just to make, like, let's say $10, $20, maybe $100 per sale, you can make, again, very large commissions, especially over time. And the whole idea here is to build up that sense of financial freedom. For me, it's beyond that. It's even having a location and time freedom. There's a guy named Marlon Sanders that told me many, many years ago is that with freedom, you don't need to have a watch on your wrist. I know a lot of people, they want to get like iWatches and all these other things to show time on their wrist, Rolexes and stuff like that. But when you are in a position of being time and location and financially free, you don't have to worry much about that. You live life on your own terms instead of other people's terms. Of course, you have your family, you got your commitments, but I think you know what I mean. So let's talk about the truth about running your own online business. Most people fail. Offline, people would say that you would have over 80% of the people starting up a business, they would fail during the first year. And it's an uphill battle, even online. You have, all these things. Typically people will buy a website. It's very affordable nowadays. You can get started with a web host and a blog for like roughly $5 a month or so. But the thing is that you're still in a situation where you don't know exactly what it takes to make money. So instead of doing all that research, watching hundreds of YouTube videos, and still feeling that you don't have the whole picture, thing is that these guys behind the system, Omar Marr and his wife Melinda and John Thornhill, they put together a step-by-step training with comprehensive support. The cutting edge AI tools is something that I personally provide. That is a bonus that I give to all the people that purchase through my affiliate link. And you have all the training here, A to Z, on how to build up a business online. And it includes everything from email marketing, if you want to go into social media, if you want to go into email strategies, copywriting, learning how to launch your own products, and promoting as an affiliate, of course. This is what this system offers. So you don't have to think about, gosh, I don't have all the stuff that I need to succeed. If you are really into getting started as an affiliate and you don't want to build your own product, to me, this is one of the best ways to do that. So you get an all-in-one system. In fact, you just need to promote one link. This training that is being provided will show you how to do that. So if you're wondering how this makes money, I'll give you a simple formula that I've used across many years to make money. It's a very simple formula, and all it is that you have a very profitable offer that people want to buy, and then you send traffic to that offer, and then you make money. That's all. Very simple formula. You have that targeted traffic, and you send them to the offer. And you might be wondering, so if it's that easy, why don't tons and tons of people succeed in this? So here's the thing. You have an offer with Master Affiliate Profits. They give you their core offer to promote, to make money off of, and it's proven to sell. There's well over 1,000 high ticket customers in the first, I would say like 3/4 of a year, which is big because this offer is something that is high ticket. It's not like the typical offers that you'll see in some of the marketplaces where they're just like $7, $10 offers. This is a high ticket offer. And during phase two, that's when they do have this special one-time deal. It's extremely profitable. It does convert. So the thing is that you just have to send traffic. And that's the missing piece that a lot of people don't understand. They don't understand that and they don't take action. So the reason that you're a part of this video here is because you want to learn how to make money. So you get the offer, you get the training on how to send traffic to the offer, and then also, if you decide to get this as a platinum member, the map team will send traffic to that offer through a rotator. But keep in mind, you don't want to just rely on it. I'm just giving you the hard up truth. Some people will say, oh, you just get all the traffic. The thing is that traffic split with all the customers that go into platinum. So right now there's over 1,000 customers. And so whatever traffic is being sent through map, if you are getting traffic from the map team, then it's rotated across all the members. And so if you want to get results faster, you send traffic by using the training that is provided, and it is extremely comprehensive. So with MAP, as I mentioned, you get all these tools that I'm providing, you get all the training modules, and you are able to also, this is something that isn't really talked about in these circles, is that you get to build your audience. You get to build your audience, you get to maximize your reach. And there's also something that I'll tell you that's special about MAP, where the affiliate programs out there, affiliate networks, especially in the make money niche, what they'll do is that they'll go ahead and announce an offer, have an offer that's available. You purchase it, like a product. It could be a course, like let's say a how to make money online course. And then what happens is that you become a customer. And then what happens is that that platform, they will end up using you, which you were part of someone else's customer list. They'll go ahead and promote their offers. And then the thing is that the affiliates that originally brought in you as a customer, they won't get any profits from that. So that's somewhat like they call that commission theft. So that's a big problem in the affiliate marketing industry. Also, there's also some other high ticket offers where they'll promote a very high ticket offer. People will join and then they'll promote other offers, and the people that join that are promoting as affiliate, similar situation, they're not able to promote those offers. They don't get the commissions from those other offers that are being promoted. So what that means is that you're not able to really maximize your reach. You're not able to really get the maximum effect from your audience, your customers. So with MAP, all the sales that you generate, they become your customers, your leads, and then you end up getting customers hard-coded for life. And any future purchases that these people make, your customers make, you will get credit for. So that is a huge benefit. So there are some great success stories that I've been coming across, and What's interesting is in the beginning, there were a bunch of launch partners, people that had huge lists, a bunch of emails, a bunch of customers previously, and they're able to promote the program and make huge commissions. And then at first I was just thinking, okay, that's pretty standard. A lot of these people, the heavy hitters, they get a lot of traffic because they've been doing this for a long time and they're able to build up their success. But then it took several months for some of the people from the bottom, people that were never able to make big commissions before, they were able to rise to the top and make whether several $100s, several thousands of dollars, and tens of thousands of dollars. These are ordinary people, real people that have been able to transform their lives. There's examples of people that have even quit their jobs and have gone into this full time because MAP provides you, it equips you with the tools, support, and the training that it takes to succeed. So keep that in mind. There are real people that are doing this. Commissions have been made. Thousands of members have joined MAP in less than a year. Again, like it's actually like a little bit, they started February of 2023. And so 1,000 people close to the end of 2024. And now we're in 2025 as I shoot this video. And there are people making commissions, again, people that are just brand new to affiliate marketing. So a lot of people have questions. You're probably wondering how you can be part of this, how you can do this even without having any technical skills. The thing is that MAP will provide you with all of the equipment, pretty much the technology. It's up to you to actually commit your time. And once you commit your time, you learn the training. They have a bunch of training modules, but you can learn from the top and learn just like anyone, just learn from the beginning. And when you have time, you can watch the on-demand videos. You also have access to multiple live interactions where the MAP team will have meetings and you could discuss your questions as well. And if you're not part of those meetings, you can watch the replays. Those are available through the dashboard. As a member, you'll be able to access that. I've mentioned phase two. Phase two is coming to a close. The date hasn't been provided, but what that means is that once you go into phase three, then you'll have to pay a subscription fee. So the benefit of joining early is that you only have to pay a one-time fee. And this will, of course, give you all of these benefits that I've been talking about, where you could join this affiliate marketing revolution, utilize my AI tools, get access to me, ask me questions, ask people in the MAP community questions, be able to learn all that MAP provides in the training, and then promote the one link and start earning commissions. So again, the success formula is simple. You get your affiliate link, you start promoting it using the strategies that MAP provides to you. And then if you have any questions, you connect in the community. And of course, you can connect to the live webinars as well, the workshops. So that is the path to success with MAP. So next step is it's your time to think about if you want to actually go on this journey of financial freedom. If you want to join me and many others, well over 1,000 others that have joined this affiliate revolution, where you could get perpetual commissions, get hard-coded affiliate IDs where you get credit for the life of MAP and where you get commissions ongoing. You also get two-tier commissions. That is explained in the training as well. If you want to learn more about this, just make sure that you check out the link in my description. It's going to provide you with more information about MAP Syndicate, my MAP Syndicate website. Check it out and you'll be able to access my free report as well as my bonuses and learn a lot more about Master Affiliate Profits. Thank you for watching.